It looks like that we did have a touchdown to the west of Birmingham that occurred near the I-20, I-459 corridor, and we'll be sending out damage surveys to inspect the damage there. And then it looks like we had another storm to the county to the southeast, a couple counties to the southeast of Birmingham, that we'll be looking at that as well. Very quick spin-ups, very difficult to detect, and honestly, this was more of a severe thunderstorm type of event, but of course those things can happen. You can get those quick spin-ups even with severe thunderstorm watches.
Yeah, so Jim, saying to that it wasn't necessarily a big threat zone, but of course you can always get these. Did these storms catch you guys by a little bit off guard, perhaps, especially in such a densely populated area where these happened?
Well, of course, Chris, anytime you have storms that affect large populations area, it gets a lot of notice. But we were watching all along and looking for all the ingredients coming together, and it was a very narrow corridor and narrow time frame, and it did just come together just right. In fact, we sat here for several hours waiting for storms to develop, but once they fired up, it immediately went to a couple of tornado warnings and then a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings, and it all came together, and then it's quickly moving overnight hours, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, moving well into Georgia and beyond.
And Jim, we're taking a look here at the map in terms of where this took place. Some of those red dots that you're seeing there on your screen, near Bessemer. And just to the north of, from what I understand, just north of I-20 there is where we saw some of that damage, including a golf course and some adjacent neighborhoods as well.
Yes, that area I know quite well. I've actually played golf there several times. So, yep, we'll be out there first thing in the morning looking at the damage. And unfortunately, there were some injuries. We're hopeful everybody's doing okay. But this is our severe weather season here in the southeast, and especially in Alabama. We're only going to see an uptick in severe weather as we go really through mid-May.
And final question to that, was something I was going to bring up there, is that early March is a time that's pretty well known in the Birmingham area and through central Alabama to get tornadoes, isn't it?
It sure is, Chris. And I think we've been very fortunate that we haven't had that much severe weather over the past couple of years, but we're seeing a very active fall and now a winter time period. And, boy, this is a wake-up call that everybody needs to be on guard. And I think everybody will be after this event.
Well, we certainly appreciate not only you joining us here, but